Good day, we are the Group 1 and we are going to present our system. So first, our system is ABC Advertising and Marketing Team, Sales and Billing System. So here's my performance. First, I am Christine Lloyd Cornwell. Second is Maria Julia Manuel Mendoza. Third is Cherish Monique Paclian. And lastly, Larry Sanchato. So here's the background of the company. So as the company is established in 1994, ABC Media Services began as a provider of media marketing solution for Eagle Broadcasting Corporation. Over time, it expanded to serve other affiliate companies and diverse its offering to include specialized advertising materials across print, radio, and television. So, this evolution led to the establishment of ABC and Marketing Inc. in 2002, marking its transition into full-fledged advertising agency committed to excellence. ABC continues to grow alongside its clients, offering cost-effective solutions through both traditional and innovative advertising channels. So here's the nature business of our company. So ABC specializes in strategic media placement across various platforms, including TV, radio, print, outdoor, and digital, from concept to completion. So we ensure your media projects are strategically positioned for optimal results. Our expert team handles all aspects of print design and development, ensuring your company standards out with a professional image with a track record of producing award-winning TV commercials for clients running from Fortune 500 companies to a local businesses. Our mission is to provide a solution that enhances the businesses. So we serve. Our vision is to be trust and value advertising partner for all our clients, consistently delivering the highest quality services.
Statement of the problem. We have a general problem and specific problem. The general problem, the absence of a sales and billing, undermines that the company's ability to capitalize on market demand, maintain customers' relationships, and optimize sales performance. Without well-defined processes and system in place, workers may waste time and exertion to complete their work effectively. This inefficiency can lead to decreased productivity and increased operational costs. So, in this specific problem, lacks a structured sales and billing system. The company is experiencing various challenges. Those may include difficulties in accurately tracking sales transaction, managing customer accounts, generating invoices, and ensuring timely payments. Strategic objectives. So the general objective is to design and implement a comprehensive web-based sales and billing system tailored especially to the needs of ABC Advertising and Marketing Incorporated, with the overarching objective of revolutionizing the company's sales and billing operations. This system aims to empower employees with streamlined processes and enhance productivity across all stages of the sales and billing life cycle. And the specific objectives on our company is to develop and implement a comprehensive sales and billing management system that enhances efficiency, effectiveness, and performance across all aspects of the sales and billing process within ABC Advertising and Marketing Incorporated. To create a system that makes the employees' work easier and enable users to quickly create and process orders, reducing the time required for each transaction, enable the users to easily access customer information, purchase history, and communication logs to provide personalized service and support. To build dashboards and reports to track sales performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions, facilitate the processing of returns and refunds, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience for both customers and employees. Project scope and limitation. So, in scope, the system will allow the end users to search, update, and to count the sales billing transaction. Additionally, it will support various payment methods. It also includes elements such as content, design, functionality, accessibility, search engine optimization, and security. The web page may need to generate invoices, process payments, handle subscription, and manage billing. Secure login functionality will be implemented for the owner of the company as well as sales management authorized user only. Our sales and billing system project aims to improve a software solution for a busy company. Sales functionalities, login interfacing, tracking billing and sales and other features. Sales transaction will be accurately tracked with automated invoicing for each product, and the customer security will be privately stored in files. The authorized user will have a secure login interface requiring username and password. Billing transaction will be more specific information and have an exact amount. It also gives receipts for evidence or proof of billing transaction. Lastly, our system will be helpful to the company by giving them an enormous sales and billing system, and they can suggest us to the other company. In limitation, handling a large volume of concurrent transaction and currency payment methods, scalability limitation may arise due to service capacity, database performance, or network bandwidth. Transitioning to a web-based system requires comprehensive training for clients to familiarize them with this new interface and functionalities. Furthermore, if the data accuracy of sales and billing info are not updated correctly, multiple errors in stock when it comes to sales record. Significance of this study. To the organizer, the system will redound to the benefit of the company, specifically in the sales management, improving sales team performance, providing actionable insight. Business can empower their sales team to achieve higher levels of productivity and effectiveness. To the developer, they can gain experience and discover a lot about the sales and billing system. They can profit from their hard work. They can also learn to collaborate with the professionals. To the end user, unlike brick and mortar stores with limiting operating hours, a web page is accessible to company 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This means the sales can be made at any time, catering to the needs of customers in different time zones or with varying schedules.
So this flow chart is designed for efficient and secure management. User starts by logging in with their name, username, and password, and are directed to the dashboard upon successful authentication. The dashboard provides access to various system functionalities, including user management, categories, products, media files, sales, and sales reports. If the login credentials are invalid, the users are prompted to re-enter their informations. So the systems The system's modular design ensures streamlined navigation and robust data experience and operational efficiency. So the system diagram represents business management or sales tracking application, where the users can log in or register via the user authentication section. So where the credentials are verified against an account database. Upon the successful authentication, users access the dashboard, a central hub for navigating various modules like company background and sales. So the company background module provides the company information, while while the sales module manages billing, product details, and administrative tasks. So billing generates receipts and reports to create billing statements, while the sales journal tracks and updates sales information, culminating in monthly sales rating. So the system streamlines user authentication, company information, uh, billing, and sales tracking. So context diagram illustrates its interaction with external entities and information flows. So the central sales and billing system interacts with six entities. These are the sales report, sales invoice, admin interface, sales management, product, and billing. So the sales report receives sales data for generating the reports, while the sales invoice RD is created and managed by the system. So the admin interface allows the administrator to both input and retrieve informations, while the sales management sends data to and receives the data from the billing and sales purposes. And product details are the input into the system for billing and sales purposes. And the billing entity are the billing entity manages billing operation by exchanging information with the system. So with this high level view of highlights the system boundaries and major information flows essential for the managing sales, invoice, administrative tasks, and billing processes.
In our task activity, we also use SDLC. And for our teach timetable, we first start the planning of our project on March 1, 2024. I'm Paklian and I'm here to discuss about the remaining topics. First is the Gantt chart. Gantt chart is a chart in which a series of horizontal line shows the amount of work done or production completed in certain periods of time in relation to the amount planned for those periods. Meaning, it is a project management tool that can assist us in the planning and scheduling of projects of all sizes. So we use SDLC activities to schedule of our project, the planning, analysis, design, implementation, development, and maintenance. So for our system prototype, we use Figma application to design our project. As you can see, there are 7 modules in the navigation bar, which are the dashboard, user management, categories, product, page of highlights, sales, and sales report. So when we click the dashboard, it also displays the buttons such as user, categories, product, and the sales, and as well as the number of them. It also displays the highest selling product, the latest selling product, and also the recent added product. So as you can see in the top of the right corner of your screen, you can see the user, which is Christine Joy Cardinal. If you click that, you can edit the profile of that user. It also connects in the user management. So the user management has two user interface, which are the group and the users. So the group is the role of the user, which are the admin, special, and user. The user is the person that has a name and user role. So as you can see, it also indicates when was the person last logged in and if it is active or not. And you can also edit or delete the user if it is not active anymore. For our categories, the company wants the category to be a file of the companies and also to alphabetically arrange that. So you can see that the company can add new category or new companies, and if they click the add category button, it will automatically save to the company. So for the products, there are product number, product title, and of course for which company. The stock buying price, which is the cost of the advertisement, the selling price, when was the last added the product, and to edit and delete. So when a company adds a new product, this is what they see. So for the media files, they can add the part of the company in that module. The sales has the number, product name, quantity, total price, and also the date. And for the sales report has a date range, which they can choose whether it is daily, monthly, or yearly. And they can also generate report just by clicking the button.